mantapin.
Him send with me tonight, trying to find our place in this world, reaching for the stars, traveling so far like a dragonfly. Keep our secrets there, hide them everywhere. Just you and I. Just you and I. Just you and trying to find our place in this world.
Yeah, we said we let it go, but we settled for the last. Couldn't let you want it though. Who am I to let you down? No, who am I to let you down, down, like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get to see. Take me back to the planet where you and I are still meant to be. 'Cause I'm incomplete when you ain't by my side, when you don't wake up next to me. Yeah, I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete. Yeah, I'm incomplete. Hey, 'cause I'm incomplete. I need you here tonight to cover up these empty sheets. 'Cause I'm incomplete.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you like we used to. Guess I'm better off alone, never know when I'll get home, but I know that home's where the heart is. rolling through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Busa?
13 minutes.
Tuh kan bekas tempel-tempel tuh, lepas salah. Oke dong GoPro dia. Iya. Ini padahal udah crash tadi berapa kali kita gagal auto launch. Hampir mau di repair nih. Yuk. Crash. Tadi sukses juga ya. Ternyata mungkin kita terbang ke arah sana tadi, gunung yang itu tuh. Nah itu jarak di mungkin di 6 km. Cuman tadi saya agak takut karena memang tadi pesawatnya kurang sehat tadi ya. Jadi terbang di 5,5 km tuh kita sudah pulang. Nih tuh, ini pecah nih gara-gara tadi berapa kali crash ya. Nah kita bungkus. Oke, berhubung penerbangan kita kali ini sukses, jadi kita sudah dulu video kita hari ini. Kalau kamu suka video ini silahkan like, comment, dan subscribe ya, karena subscribe itu gratis. Sampai jumpa.